Guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast, and this breakfast is so quick and easy. So I woke up this morning thinking of something healthy, something quick to prep for breakfast, and this came into my mind. So first off, I had to set my water to boil. Most times the thought of what to prep takes it all on us. So but today I'm making oats, and I love the fact that this is healthy. So I go on to boil my eggs, and after that I needed to peel it, and some of the eggs came off with the shell. I don't know. So my oats is ready, guys. I put in my milk and then some cashew nuts, some almond seeds, and then chia seeds. This is screaming healthy already. And then I go on to add my eggs, and look at it, guys. This is healthy. So to sweeten it a bit, I added honey. And guys, let's eat. Most times when I take this, it keeps me full for a very long time. So let me know your thoughts. Let me also know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to like this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. All right, see you guys.